Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone's having a great day. Well, today I don't have a Dollarama haul, but I do have a Dollar Tree haul that I would like to share with you. So if you want to see what I purchased at the Dollar Tree, please keep on watching. Okay, so this is the Dollar Tree bag, and here in Canada everything is $1.25, so we don't have to go through each individual pricing. First of all, my niece was with me. Isn't she always? She picked up this double bubble Crybaby extra sour bubble gum. So there is lemon, cherry berry, orange, and apple flavor. So she'll give that a try and she will let us know, of course. By Crafter Square, she picked up this paint your own ornaments, and there are 2 ornaments in here. As you can see, there's a snowflake and a stocking, and there is a paint set with red, green, and blue paint with a little paintbrush, which we'll probably have to use our own because that one doesn't look like it can do a lot. So she got that. She also picked up this cute headband. She may use it for the Santa Claus parade. It's the reindeer with the sequins. And you can see there's some little holly berries there, and it's all made up with felt. So that was super cute. I also picked up these gift tags. There's 20 pieces, and I thought these were really, really pretty. And on the back it has the to and from, and it comes with the ribbon to attach it, or string. So I got that one, and this one is slightly different. I actually prefer this one. It has joy and the trellis print and the reindeer. So cute. So I picked up those 2. For myself, I picked up some gummy worms. I picked up 2 of these light up necklaces. These aren't new, but these are super cute. And at Dollarama, they actually sell these for $4, the exact same ones. And these, of course, are only $1.25. Don't know whether or not I will use them for necklaces, or you can use them for decor, but they're super cute. They're like the old school light bulbs. So I couldn't pass those up. So I did pick up 2 of those. Someone's birthday's coming up, so I picked up this happy birthday. You can't see it there, but it does say it because of the feathers. Happy birthday, Princess. And I thought this was so cute, and I'll make sure to take a picture with her wearing it. But I thought this was adorable, so I picked that up. And the actual headband is in pink as well, and it's like a plastic. We picked up some of this glitter glue in this like purplish fuchsia pink. She loves slime. We actually won't be using this as faux snow, as the title suggests. We'll actually be incorporating this into our slime. So we'll be making some type of, I guess you call it phloem, but it's super crunchy slime. So we got that. This little ornament, the sleigh ornament, was super duper cute, I thought. I won't probably use this as an ornament. However, I will incorporate it in my decor somehow, but how cute is that? Totally cute. The last thing in this bag is some Reese's peanut butter, and these are the huge king size cups, and there's 2 in a package, so we picked up those. Moving on to the next bag, I picked up one of these wax melts. I usually shy away from them from the dollar stores. These are by the Ornaments brand, and it's a cranberry mandarin, and I've already melted one, as you can see there. On cold, these really smell really nice, and they have a decent throw on cold. However, when I melt it, if you're close by, it does have a nice scent. However, it does not like throw throughout the house. So you actually have to be in the same room. In actuality, you have to be very close to it to actually smell it. Although when you do smell it, it does smell nice. I picked up these gift boxes. These are great for shirts or sweaters. So these are 3 pieces, this smaller size, and you can see the famous red truck with the trees on here. So there's 3 pieces in that size, and then I got slightly bigger ones, and there's 2 pieces in these, and there's the penguin. Here's the happy holidays with a glittered reindeer. And this one here with the sleigh. I got some signs, which I thought were super cute. You can't beat them at the Dollar Tree. So the first one I got was this ho 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 sign. It's like an MDF. And you can see there it's very sparkly. It says ho 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 at the bottom. So I got that one. I also got this one with the sleigh. Santa, which says Merry Christmas. So I got that one. I also got this Santa. It's a felt Santa. And I just thought he was so cute. I couldn't leave him behind. But look at that. It's so well done. And his arms move so you can display him. I'll just move this a little bit further back here. So you can display him with his hands out if you like so. And his legs also, you can position them. Look how cute those are. And I thought that would be super cute to hang on a door. I would hang this inside. You don't really want to expose this to the elements, but look how cute he is. So cute. And it has like a little ribbon so you can hang him. So I got him. And the last couple of items I picked up were just household items. I needed a jug of bleach, so I got a jug of bleach. You can't beat the price, $1.25 for this huge 2.84 liter bottle. And the last item, again, a huge bottle of LA Totally Awesome floor cleaner. And this is the 20% more. And it is a 1.42 liter bottle. So that was my Dollar Tree. As I mentioned before, I don't really have a Dollar Tree near me, but when I'm in the area, I certainly like to stop by, and I found a lot of cute items. So let me know if you've been to the Dollar Tree recently and what have you found. So again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all your support. If you like this video, remember to give me a thumbs up. And like always, I will talk to you on my next video, hopefully sooner than later. Bye everyone.